Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to tell you about 5 Google Play Store hacks and tips and tricks that nobody will tell you. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what you need to do, the first step is you have to go to your Play Store here. Once you go to your Play Store here, you have to type Play Store and you have to click on this icon here, and after that you have to click on the settings and general here. Once you click here, you have to click on this Google Play Instant, as you can see. So what does it do? If you will turn it on, so you can play the game without even downloading it or without even installing it in your phone. Like you can play it for the demo, like to 1 to 2 times before buying it or before installing it. So Google allow you to do this. So if you will turn this setting on, so after that what you need to do, you just have to reboot your phone. So then after that you can easily you will find an option that try for free or try now, like without downloading it or without installing it. And the second tip which I want to tell you, that in most of the cases there are apps which are not available in our countries. For example, Spotify or something which is not available in our country, or something like it shows that it's not available in our country. So how to install it in your phone, like if it's not available in your country? What you need to do, you just have to download a VPN. Like for example, I have a VPN, this VPN. If I will turn on this VPN on, and after that if I will go to the settings, and after that to the apps, I just have to open that app like the Play Store, and after that I will tell you that what to do next. For example, I'm looking for the Play Store, so I will look for the Play Store here. So here the Play Store. So what I have to do, I just have to click on the force stop here, and I have to go to this, and I have to clear the cache, and after that I just have to reboot my phone. And when I will get back, like make sure that your VPN is turned on, and when your VPN is turned on, so you can easily download that app which was not available in your country. And the third tip is that you have to go to the your this click on this icon, and you have to go to the settings, and then you will find this in the family section, the parental control. If you will turn it off, so what does it do? Basically it will allow you to, like if you don't want your any children, like who is under 6 or under 8 and is using an 18 plus app, and you don't want to do that, so you can set and pin here, and after that you can choose that like make sure that he doesn't use. So it will allow you that the Play Store will not allow him to use it until your permission get granted to him. So that's how you have to just create a pin, and after that you have to choose the age. So your child or whatever it is, like under the 8 or under the 10, you cannot use an app like 18 plus app. Okay, so the fourth tip is that when you will go to the Play Store settings here, and after that you have to click on this authentication. When you will click on the authentication, you will find this biometric authentication here. So it will want your Google password then once. So what does it do? Like for example, in the PUBG or any Fortnite game, so the kids use their parents cards and to buy things without their permissions, like they spend a lot of money. So if you will turn this option off, the biometric authentication, so they cannot buy it without your permission of or your biometric authentication, whatever you want to set on that. So they cannot like buy anything without your permission. And the fifth and the final tip which I want to tell you, that is the Play Store notification, which bothers everyone. Like the Play Store notification again and again comes, and that you have to update this app, or you have to do this, or you have to do this. So if you want to turn that off, like which bothers you and irritates you, so you have to go to the notifications here, and you have to click on the manage notifications, and you have to turn this updates available off. So once you turn this off, so you can easily then access to it, and easily your notification will not come to you. So these were the 5 tips, and I hope you like these tips. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content. Thank you so much.